Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform. Hey, it's here for Sisi Adie. Just say Sisi Adie. I say agra. Every single day, accidents. Every single day, accidents. Now this time around, no, I don't know what's happening, but politicians, no. I'm say just within this week. Yemfa last week in count any this week. The number of politicians that will accident, my bet na has say aka. Both political divide, MPP, NDC, just say the accidents are womuni na nyinya no. Etie for baby a edu no. Eni ya yenyan. Debia ye kan, but sisia no. Baby a kwa akodru no. Etie for me de maka se ye wonpa bobi bo a mesre e wo se ye bompa he. Emma oman we ni na asamu eba ene se another MPP executive and ye beka se wo bia wo ye MPP ni em se mo follow MPP no munim ne pa ye friend David Asante akonya accident na me ne wo say wo hospital woje ayaresa na accident yi okonya wo he etiefo Wale, you say Wale ton the northern side of this country. Wale na lirigu. One say senior adiana koyeno elections eba. So all the people who are executives and all the people who speak for a political party no yedi juma showmonsa. Into womuni na all the corners of the country baby a wo free bia na wo se wokọ na wo de nyama ekototo ho. Now, I don't know whether the traveling no related to campaign and now say what I don't know about that. But me my dream senior accident ECC announcing obekum mekwa ko hu ne say oh a campaign we na esi no. Me my dream me hu ne say ebia one of those things. Na wale na lerigu kwan ne so no wakwa konya accident. Enche bia ene de same okudie brɛ enche bia ye the NDC phone so dey be just say I don't even want to go into the list because they be akwa say what they bia there politicians enya accident na wo bobo on list no, so I don't even want to go into the list. But we be away follow my channel no for a very long time, even for the past week and past 2 weeks we want to say I have reported a lot on accidents, especially this time around on politicians. Ebia na wo bi nim David Asante aye ka ne ho asemi omo a wo sen interna bi di ka kan say womo a wo ye strong MPP people ne de won say nkrofo bi wo ho a odo party bia e na wonim omo nkrofo bi nso wo ho a whether you don't belong to that political party kra na wonim no yemfa ne say obi ti say asiedu nketia whether you don't even belong to NDC kra wonim no, but obi be wo NDC mu a unless you have to belong to NDC party ansa na wo be nim say ni pakro no. Now, David Asante yobia womunim politics mu pa womunim no. Because one, Sisi Amene ka say we are the director for the Ghana Publishing Company Limited. Ghana Publishing Company Limited, a state organization. I want to believe so. So he is the director of that institution. Now, we are was also a convener for Let My Vote Count Alliance. Mun say MPP one of groups are assemble womo so kasa womo ye ways group no Let My Vote Count. MPP for group no. He is the convener. Now Broni ekase will be a convener. Na trese nipa kono wakwa ye say ye free meeting ye yes anyama na wono na wo organize nkrofo no friend nkrofo ba atiase. So he is the convener of Let My Vote Count Alliance, David Asante. Sena me din kan trail no. Sa near fatal accident esi ewo wale na lerigu kwan so. Me say samambo dini ya momfa encheme. Etiefo, that is what is coming true. Now the exact place accident ni si in America no ye Kansas is here once ya chicha regions ni minte northeast region from Bolgatanga area ho and adie we esi ye. Etiefo enda me no ka say yesi we pra de we pra ye de no akọ hospital I friend the Baptist Medical Center ewo Nalirigu ho no and I just say, what Jayarsa? A DNAC. And this is about media. I've even lost count. This matter I'm saying. They be about to about an accident. AC, yeah, but to about an accident this year. Yeah, near they share politicians. But this time around, even the politicians themselves, they are getting involved in a lot of these accidents. Yenim krano yenim. Both political divide, both NDC and MPP. Yenim krano just within the space of 1 month. Yenim womo top executives and our top officials be accident kuomo. And a lot of them have survived from the accident. But ebi muswewu ewo accident ni mu. Yenim krano MPP yenim womo Nasara Wing accident okonya voter region awuye. Yenim krano NDC na nsenya womo MC Bono East Deputy Youth Organizer. Yenim krano nso yenim. Inti yenim krano within the space of 1 month, both political parties, they've lost people in these accidents. And now, senior mekan and now me betena has na meka say senior na ekono because na akwa yes say it was directing towards NDC. Now every time I say NDC for no accident, then I make I say NDC for so me pempa ebo bia abo awomombo. Sisi ade I say MPP for so afiance airborne mo so. Mesre political parties nini na wo me pempa ebo bia abo a womombo. Ome pempa ebo bia abo pan dia womombo. And you see, it is very strange. Akwa say even in things like this, I mean I don't understand. It is extremely strange too. So accident here, it is very, very strange because it has gone to the extent that even their leaders, people involved or people who are part of their convoy, they've been involved in accidents. And that is how strange and how serious these accidents have gotten to. This is how serious our accidents no baby no to the point where Yamfan se Mahama convoy our day airco motor rider our walk convoy ni musunya accident ni ma were fall into coma. Just 2 days ago, President Akufo-Addo nso sa ne convoy our day call Upper East. And also soldier for our woman security were convoy ni any accident me rush mo ko hospital. You know, me nim as a woman in Accra, it has gotten close to them. Aside that, no executives so hey masa mo on paibo bibo amumbo. These two political parties mo on paibo bibo amumbo. Now this time around the AC no enye easy. Just as see ade radio we be na meetie journalist ne kra kan what say hey sisi ade nkra na esi wo Ghana say as 2020 de ne de ya chen da de. As every single December, what is accident, but 2020 there, it is as a Ginny Din Dodo, 2020 Ginny Din Dodo. Now what had the person is right to as a 2020 there, ya jinsem. You will be a misremo. Yanyo Paibobi boa yambo. Me say aglow women aglow. Besremo na nsen ngrofo kwa sorry. Se no smart na mode be hihye mo hwene na mo akọ bobo mpa ya man ya. Ye beje ne sa o aglow for aglow yesremo. What is happening in the country right now? We need your help. Oh. We need your help seriously. Ghana for bebre na etre wo madwen ewo eye accident we so. Na yenko read the comments a Ghana for pass on this particular thing. I say asemo obi you see and some accident here especially involving politicians no. Some people are also happy because I've told you say people have this notion say politicians are wicked people. Inti ebi mo kan say sisi ade to wo mo politician inti ne yeda nyankopon ase. Mesremo sa mentality ne yin free etrim. I'll not read such comments but what sure those comments no eba pa. Obi see why or where are they rushing to? asɛm a will be air canon no politicians na sisi a wɔn accident no wɔn rush akɔ. You see, and that is one thing, one misconception a ɛwɔ sɛ me correct. Wohwɛ NDC for Bunu East accident na esi yɛ na NDC deputy youth organizer wɔwu yɛ no. Na NDC kan ne kra na move o. Wɔn apake ɛwɔ toll booth. In fact, was stopping wɔ toll booth na wɔtua toll. Ɛna articulator wɔn yi fa ho na wɔn ɛde bɛbɔ wɔn ku wɔn. Nti sɛ woka sɛ ɛyɛ rational obi deɛ no the person wasn't even moving ɛna wɔwu yɛ. So please, it's not about ration. Accident deɛ ɛyɛ accident. But mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo ɛda ase.